Okay, you guys, so today we're at the SLS Baha Mar in the Bahamas. This is the Ocean View 1-bedroom residence. This is one of their suites. It's very big. It's over 1,000 square feet. I think close to like 1,200. This is your living room. You have like a 50-inch screen TV there. You have a pull-out couch right here, so it has a bed that can sleep the kids or whatever you need right here. It has amazing views right when you walk in the suite. So you have views of the ocean. The water park is right here. And you have multiple balconies in here. And you walk through here. On this side, you have a dining room area where you guys can have breakfast or lunch or dinner, whatever you please. You have beautiful artwork on the walls. Over here, you have the kitchen. So it's a residence, so you can go buy your groceries, cook the food that you need. They have a coffee maker on this side, teapot. They have wine glasses, your mini bar. Over here, you have a washer and dryer. That really comes in handy when you're on vacation because a lot of times things get dirty. You want to go home with clean stuff. Over here, you have your ice holder and your ice maker. You have your sink. And over here, you have your refrigerator. They load it up for you. So you have Red Bulls, sodas, waters, alcohol. Okay. You have another balcony over here. Beautiful waters. Beautiful views. Doesn't get much better than that. So then I'll take you guys back over here. I kind of walked past. Over here you have the guest bathroom. So you have a guest bathroom over here, and it's a full bathroom. So you do have a walk-in shower over here for anybody that you have staying with you or anybody that comes from the pool. They can shower there. You have your toilet area, nice sinks. Over here, you have kind of a closet area. So this is your closet. Store your luggage, hang whatever you need to. Then when you go to the left, you have your actual bedroom. Very nice sized bedroom, king size bed, very plush, very soft. You have another 50-inch screen TV over here. You have your boombox that you can put your Bluetooth on. And you walk out the balcony of here, and of course you get the same beautiful view of the resort and the water park. You can never get tired of that. And as you walk through here, over here you have your master bathroom. So you have your shower with the rainbow glass, which is right here. Walk-in shower. Over here is your toilet area. Mirror for when you get ready, you can see how you looking. Here's her sink and vanity. Over here is more closet space. And right over here is where the ladies can do their makeup and get ready to go. And again, we're at the Baha Mar. This is the Ocean View 1-bedroom residence. It's a residence because it includes the kitchen, everything you need in the kitchen, washer and dryer, so you can act like you're at home. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. You can never get tired of this beautiful view. And as always, we'll catch you at the next one.